Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to Michelle for being the first in the notification gang. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do your twists. So this can be for Marley twists or for your 2-strand twists, however, but I'm just going to be teaching you guys the actual twisting technique. A lot of you sent me messages saying that you don't actually know how to do the technique, so I thought we'd get the ribbons out today and we'll teach you guys how to do the twists. Okay, so I did my Marley twists about a few weeks ago, should be 2 weeks ago. I'm really due for a wash. And this is what they look like. So I'm just going to take one out so that we can use that for demonstration. So the technique that I used is I used 3 different strands, but you can use 2 if you want. It's still the same concept. So ideally what you do is you take one strand of hair, you take another strand of hair and you put it under the other one, similar to how to plant a braid. So we're going to be planting a braid and then we're going to do about 3 moves of the braid. So under, over, and then we're going to start doing our twisting process. So if you missed the video on how to plant a braid, I go through this a little bit more in depth. I'm going to link it in the cards. So after you've planted your braid, you're going to go in and you're going to braid once, twice, 3 times, and then you're going to separate the hair so that it's even 2 on either side or 3 on either side. That's when you're going to begin your twisting process. So you're going to flick your hand and then twist it over. So you flick it, then you twist it. And then it ends up looking like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the ribbons out so I can show you guys how to really do it. So I'm going to be getting my pink ribbon, my, what's that color again? Rose, champagne, rose, let's call it rose this time, and my blue ribbon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant the braid again, and then I'm going to section my hair out so that my hair is with the pink ribbon. Then I'm going to braid my hair once, twice, 3 times, so that the pink section is in the middle, and I'm going to separate the 2 pink sections so that it's equal sides and that we're using 2 sections of hair. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist my wrist and then I'm going to flick it over. So I'm going to twist and flick, twist and flick, twist and flick. So the twisting process is what you're twisting your hair at the top section where it's loose before you wrap it around the other section. So it's really important to twist the hair because this is what holds the hair and this is what creates that sort of curled look together. So what I'm going to show you here is what it looks like when you don't twist and when it looks like when you do twist. On my left side, you can see that I'm twisting and flicking, and on my right side, you can see that I'm just twisting. So you can see the difference in definition, and you can see that as soon as you let go of the braid, it unravels itself because it's not properly twisted. So we're going to do it again, and I'm going to do it this time with the hair and the ribbons. It's going to be bulky, but it's going to help you understand. So again, we're going to plant the braid. And then after we've planted the braid, we're going to braid it at least 3 times. You can braid it once if you want, once, twice, 3 times, however many times you want. It has to be a small amount so you can't see it too much. Then I'm going to separate the hair into 2 different parts in the middle, and then I'm going to twist it and then flick it over, and then twist it and flick it over, and twist and flick, and twist and flick. It's really easy to do once you get it. Practice it a few times and you'll get it, and you'll be able to do this on your actual hair and then also on Marley twists. I recommend starting to do it first on your actual hair, and then you'll be able to do it on other hair such as Marley hair to do your hairstyle. So again, we're going to separate it as if we're about to do a braid. And then we're going to plant the braid using the technique that we learned the other time. And then we're going to braid it once, twice, 3 times, and then we're going to separate, or 4, and then we're going to separate the hair in the middle so that there's equal parts on either side. We're going to make sure that we cover our hair in the actual braiding hair. And then we're going to begin twisting and flick, twisting and flick, twist and flick. So this is how I did my Marley twist, guys, and this is the technique that I used. If you do try this out, make sure to send me a DM with photos. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you liked the video. I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.